guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review video on a product that is like all over the internet. It's on Instagram, it's on YouTube, it's like everywhere, and I'm like, you know what, I need to get my hands on that product. So I did get my hands on it. It just arrived like yesterday, I believe. Yeah, it arrived yesterday, and then I have time to film today, so I'm excited about that. But before we get started, I want to invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and don't forget to thumbs up the video if you want to see more of these type of videos, like reviewing hyped up Instagram products or something like that. I don't know. Give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, this product retails for $20. It is the Jelly Beam Highlighter by Farsali. It came in this black box, and it's just a tiny little thing in a big old box, you know? You know, because every time I order something from Sephora that's like this size, it comes in like a huge ass box and I get so excited, but then when I open it, it's filled with like that brown paper. You guys know what I'm talking about. But anyways, this is exactly how the packaging looks like. It's just in a white little box, and it has Farsali in gold letters, which I think it's pretty nice and pretty classy. I have not tried this on my face. I have not used it, so I'm super excited to do it here on camera actually, and kind of like see my first impressions and what I think about it. So this retails for $40. It is a 5-star highlighter, meaning it is supposed to be like the shit, you know what I mean? So on the description of this highlighter, it says a jelly highlighter that applies like jelly and sets like a powder, leaving the skin with a wet satin finish that doesn't slip. It is concentrated pigmentation, allows for customized glow, ideal for all skin types, and it also says to use as a traditional highlighter or as an add-in to your favorite product for an extra glow. And it kind of just like explains like everything online, like what you can use it for and all this type of shit. I see people using it all over Instagram, like underneath their foundation for an extra glow. I'm gonna try to do that, but I don't think it's going to work out for me just because I get oily on my T-zone. But I will try it out and I'll let you guys know how it goes. You know what I mean? On the back of the box, it just says apply to the face for an illuminated look. Apply to the face for an illuminated look. Can be mixed in with foundation or moisturizer. Oh, I did not know that. So you can mix it in with your moisturizer, but I mean, I don't know, if you're dry skin, maybe you would like that kind of like mixing situation. And it says use over or under makeup. And I guess the shade is glazed because it says glazed on the box. And then when you open it, the product that's like all over social media. Here it is. It's in my hands. Farsali, where you at? If you guys saw my Best of Beauty 2017, you guys saw that I love the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir drops. I use that as a moisturizer, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It is the best moisturizer out there, the best beauty oil ever, and I was excited for this product because everybody raves about it, but I haven't had the chance to try it out myself and see what I think of it. As always, as every review that I do, I honestly recommend that you go get a sample, go try it out if you can in store. If not, order it online and see if you like it for yourself, because some things that work out for, you know, some people, they're not going to work out for other people. It is what it is. It's makeup, it's life. Close-up of the packaging, as you can see, it's gold. And I honestly thought that this was a glass bottle, but it is not a glass bottle. It is actually a plastic bottle, and on the side it just says Jelly Beam Illuminator. And then, ta-da! Here comes the moment of truth. Whoop. When you open it, there's like a shit ton on the cap, that's for sure. Up close of the thing, as you can see, it's like jelly. It is literally like jelly. Look at that. Oh my god. This is what happens when you're playing around. I just like dropped my $40 worth of product all over this. Okay, I'm back. I'm back after making the mess of my life. You guys don't even know. So anyways, that's what happens when you play around. So that's like the little description of the product, and that I already showed you guys how the product looks after I like made a mess of myself, made a mess of the product. Oops. Now let's go ahead and apply it and see my reaction to the product. Oh my gosh, look at the glow though. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh, look at the glow though. And there you go, you guys saw how beautiful this highlighter applied. Honestly, I feel like it does look really wet like. It did emphasize a bit of texture on my skin, but that's because I have texture and because I don't know what's going on with my skin right now, but I feel like my moisturizer that I bought was just not good for my skin. I don't feel like it's like soothing it really well, so that's why I have more texture than I usually do. But after all, I think that alone, like I'm wearing no other highlighter but this one, as you guys saw. I blended in with my finger and then I went ahead and mixed it in with my brush, and honestly I feel like it looks really nice. It looks really wet. Yeah, I really like it. Honestly, I feel like this is a 10 plus product. Like I feel like I would give it 10 stars if I could. It looks really nice and blinding, let me tell you that. It looks really blinding, it looks really nice. It doesn't look glittery whatsoever. It does give it that wet effect, which is the description of this product. And yeah, I think they nailed it. I think it looks amazing. Honestly, I feel like I could go over with my powder highlight, but I just feel like it's gonna be too much. It's gonna look like I have too much going on. Whereas this Farsali Jelly Beam highlighter alone, I feel like it gives me such a nice wet look, and it looks like I'm highlighted like from within and not like I just have like a streak of highlight on top, if you know what I mean. But honestly, I do recommend this product. Like, you guys all need this product. I feel like a little goes a long way, which is important in a highlighter, you know what I mean. I feel like it blinds more than a lot of powder highlights, as you can see. Oh my god. Guys, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this highlighter? Do you think it's worth the $40? Do you think it looks good on me? Are you gonna buy it? Let me know. I want to know. And with that being said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up the video and go ahead and subscribe down below so you become part of my YouTube fam. I don't know, just subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this highlighter. Do you like this shade? Because it's like gold, but it's also like on the white kind of side. I don't know, it looks wet, but it has like a gold kind of reflex to it. And to be honest, I feel like it suits every skin tone, from like fair to super deep skin tones. I feel like it does fit all skin tones. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know. And if you have it already, let me know what you think of it. I feel like I was like super late on the bandwagon. Like, I just got this yesterday and it's been out on the market for what, 2-3 months, maybe 4, I don't know. It's been out for a while, but I really did like it. I loved it. I fucking loved it. I really hope you guys did too. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.